Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to log out of Snapchat. To log out of Snapchat, firstly open your Snapchat application and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. After that, tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After entering your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll all the way down. Now tap on Logout, which is located at the bottom of your screen. You can verify your number if you want to, but for now I don't want to verify my number, so I'll click on not now. Now tap on Logout. Here we can see that we have successfully logged out of our Snapchat account. So this is how you will be able to log out of Snapchat. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.